Hello my YouTubers, what's up? This is another video of Real G doing air conditioning. Today we install a mini split, 3-zone mini split. So what do I mean by the 3-zone mini split? It's a 1 heat pump and 3 air handlers. This one is for the main entrance. That one is for the kitchen. That's how it looks so far. Right now they are under pressure with nitrogen. This is the third one. Today we did work very hard to get everything set up under nitrogen pressure. New install today. That's how the heat pump looks like. We have to cover due to we are in Southeast DC, and you know what happens. It gets stolen or anything like that. So that's one air handler, second air handler, third air handler. Oh, nice and neat. Very professional. We did all this in one day. We could have been done, but we didn't make the hose. We had somebody else make the hose, and he took a little bit of his time. But hey, we didn't make them hose, man. Them hose are a pain in the ass, pain in the neck. This is a daikin heat pump mini split. Good, man. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. We're working hard to be on the top. Thank you again. Stay safe, wear your mask, and be happy. No one else can make you happy besides yourself. Peace. Real G for life.